Is my name. I'm the chairperson of the Complaints Handling Committee of Umra, Uganda Microfinance Regulatory Authority, formally. We got a complaint from people from Ruhira village, that is in Isingiro, against an institution that was operating as a Sacco, but operating illegally without a license. This institution has terrorized the entire village. We have a public outcry, if I may call it, or a public petition against this institution. And in particular, the outcry is against the manager of the Sacco in courts, who is operating as she wishes. She decides who gets arrested. She decides who gets imprisoned. We were informed that she connives with some judicial officers. However, matters of the judiciary are not within our mandate. So we've advised the complainants to pursue those matters before the right forum. But during the meeting with some members of the institution that has been operating illegally, we decided to open up criminal charges against them for violating the Tier 4 Microfinance Institutions and Moneylenders Act, which has led to their arrest.
What have been those outstanding?
Look into the matters. Number one, sometimes we do mediate where we find that it's mediation that is required. We also make decisions which may not be favorable to the institution, but in case we find that there is an area of non-compliance, we do make decisions and give directives to undo or to do what the institution is supposed to do.
Have you received similar complaints from other parts of the country?
Yes. And last week we were in Iganga. We came across another institution that was once complained against here at Umra, that is Rika. It's one of those institutions that also defrauded the public in such a manner, closed shop and disappeared. But we found it operating in the eastern part of Uganda, Iganga. We also had them arrested. The staff are in cells as we speak, and we are going to pursue criminal prosecution from there.
How do we end up with people operating without licenses? Yes, don't you think there's a loose bond in this particular file?
First of all, is lending money without a license, okay? And arresting persons who are not even party to the lending agreements. We have one Medad who has fled his home. Yes, he borrowed money. He has defaulted in payment, but as we speak, his wife, a lactating mother, has been arrested and she's in prison because of that same loan. This lady did not guarantee the loan, so we are wondering how she got to prison and yet she's not party to this loan. And this is not the only incident we've seen. We've seen several others, and we are informed that today is a Tuesday. We are informed that on Thursday, we shall be receiving a group of over 70 complainants coming to complain against the same institution with similar complaints. So what happens is that this person is conniving with some people in court, okay?